going to perform lab 2 AC response of RC and RL circuit. First, let's begin with the RC circuit. Here is the circuit diagram we will be using, and this is the data table and that needs to be filled in. I will show you how to practically measure the values of VC and VR. You will have to complete the rest of the data yourself. Let's begin by building the circuit on the breadboard. Watch closely how I am doing it. First of all, let's measure the resistor, and to measure the resistor, set the DMM to resistance mode, and you can see it's 9.92 kilo ohm. And now we need to measure the capacitor. To measure the capacitor, press the blue button to switch the DMM to capacitance mode and take the reading. And you can see it's 117.5 nanofarad. It means 0.1 microfarad. And now let's build the circuit according to the diagram. Now let's proceed with connecting the components properly. To connect the probe from the function generator, we need some jumping wires. Attach it to the beginning of the resistor and the end of the capacitor. Now connect the function generator with the circuit. We will also add a few extra jump wires so that we can connect the oscilloscope's probe as well. Next, connect a wire between the resistor and the capacitor. This is the key point where we will measure both voltages. This one is the last wire, and now this is the final circuit. And now set up the oscilloscope probes with the circuit. Channel 1, connect the positive probe in the first. The ground clip of channel 1 should be connected to the end of the capacitor. And now for the channel 2, connect the positive probe between the resistor and capacitor, and the ground will be in the end of the capacitor. Now power on the oscilloscope and the function generator. And you can see it's 200 Hz. Set the frequency to 200 Hz. Select a sine wave as the waveform shape, and now the first box will be the channel 1 Vmax. Set to the Vmax, and this is the channel 1 Vmax. And using the amplitude knob, adjust the channel 1 Vmax 3 volt peak. Next we will measure Vc and Vr. Is 200 Hz, and we need to set the both oscilloscope channel 1 and channel 2 to AC coupling. It's mandatory, and you can see each channel 1 Vmax 3.12 volt, and for the next box we need to set channel 2, and the type should be in Vmax. Let me fix this Vmax, then return, and you can see channel 1 and channel 2. Channel 2 Vmax is 1.08 volt. Now entry the data, and to find the resistor VR, we need to open the math function, and the operation should be in minus, and type should be in voltage, and the source will be in math because we will do in math function. And place cursor A on the x-axis 0 level. You can see in the left topmost corner 0 until it reach 0 volt. Set the cursor A to 0 volt, and place cursor B on the peak of the math waveform, the pink wave. This is the math waveform, and this is the difference between channel 1 and channel 2. Now record the value 2.32 volt, and now repeat the exact same process, but change the function generator frequency to 1.2 kilohertz and take the new readings. Look how I am going to do. This is the same method I have done for the VR and BC for 200 Hz. And that's for all. Yeah, this is, and you can find the RL circuit as RC circuit I have done, and try yourself.